Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we're going to be talking about how we made over $260 from day trading stocks. We took a nice trade on Tesla. Obviously, you guys know we love to trade Tesla. We took a trade on Tesla, but we also took a swing trade. Yes, a swing trade on Berkshire Hathaway. We'll go ahead and talk about both of these positions and my thought process behind them. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, smash that like button and subscribe. And if you guys want to learn more about trading, check out our school. It's called the Swing Trading Masterclass. We have private live streams, quizzes, lectures, a group chat, everything you guys need to build a strategy, to ask questions, voice concerns. It's fantastic. And we have an awesome sale for 50% off using code LEARN. That's it, code LEARN. Only a couple of spots left for that code. So sign up. I'll see you guys in there, and let's have a quick word from our sponsor, which is the best broker I've ever used. I know a lot of you are just getting started with investing, and one app that I've been using is called Moomoo. It's super beginner friendly, but still gives you pro level tools like live market data, easy to read charts, and news all in one place. And the best part, new users can get up to 60 free stocks when you open up an account with qualifying deposit. And honestly, that's actually why I tried it. And I've been using it ever since. Check out the link down below if you guys are curious. Yes, the broker is Moomoo, so I'm honestly being dead serious. If you're watching this video and you're confused, 1, sign up with their school. 2, sign up with Moomoo. Moomoo's completely free to use. And all right, enough with that. Let's dive into this here. All right, so when it comes with the difference between day trading and swing trading, day trading is just getting in and out of that position during the same trading day. So we'll go ahead and show you the trade here on Tesla. Now, the trade on Tesla here, you guys can see, was an absolute beautiful, beautiful trade, making $261 here. Now, this is what we just call a textbook support bounce. You guys can see that this had a beautiful, beautiful support line where it would hit this line with buying pressure. Hit it here, buying pressure. Hit it here with buying pressure. So it sold off down to that level near and around the 341 area, and that was our entry point. Entering here, keeping our stop loss just below it, gave a really nice risk and reward of about 3. So meaning I'm risking $1 to make about $3, which is really, really good. Also, you guys can see it had that really channel resistance where it would hit it. We had selling pressure. So we had great support, great resistance. So ideally, we bought here and we sold actually on, this little dip coming down a little bit here. So, but really, really nice return here. And you guys can see, let's remove that. And you guys can see it had this huge trend line breakdown where it broke through that. So this actually would have been a nice short trade. But you guys can see basic support, basic resistance. Now, we also used other indicators, right? Other indicators like the MACD indicator where we have that signal line break up through, right? Break up through that MACD line. Signal breaking up historically represents good entry points. And we even went to that 1 minute time frame, and you guys can see just the heavy amount of support here. As you guys can see, it is a lot easier to see. So we have the trend line there. And we also have it just like that. So it was a lot easier to read during the market day, right? So near and around the 341, right in that range was our great entry point here. Popped up, rallied up. Now we waited for the breakdown of that trend to get out of that position. So when it broke through, that was our exit, which was really, really nice. You guys can see, break up, exit. Now, we also used the RSI here. At the time here, the RSI was trading near and around about a 36. And the last time I was trading for that was back in this window where we got some good signs of buying pressure, which was really, really good to see. So, this is a really easy strategy, basic support, basic resistance. Now, I wanted to go ahead and show you guys the position here with Berkshire Hathaway and why we got in today. Now, looking at the daily time frame, one of the things we noticed was this steady downward trend, right? So each candlestick represents one trading day. It was super undervalued here on the RSI, trading for a 34, and it hit that 200-day moving average line, which is a very hard support for Berkshire Hathaway, right? It hits it once, twice, three times, four times. And each and every time we get these natural tendencies of getting really good buying pressure out of it. So what we did is we went to that 1 hour time frame and we saw that great breakout above it. When it pushed above that 200-day moving average line, that was our entry near around the 490 area. So great trend line breakout as we can see here. So as we go ahead, draw that out, right? You guys can see great breakout right there. Now, this position is a swing trade, so we are going to be holding it for a little bit longer of a time period rather than day trading. And the great thing about swing trading a company like Berkshire Hathaway is if we get more sell-off, we could always average down if worse comes to worse. So I do feel very, very confident with this position. And we could easily see it pick up to like 500 or even the 515 area. So, guys, hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe. Don't forget, if you guys want to sign up with Moomoo, there's going to be a link down below. I'll see you guys in there. And don't forget, sign up with our school. Use code LEARN. So, hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, follow, and hope you guys have a great rest of your day and take care.